Maybe you want to honor your grandparents' 65 years of marriage by surprising them at the end of the anniversary dance with your bridal bouquet. Or maybe you want to shock each of your guests with a personalized thank you note at their place setting when they sit down for dinner. That's a big undertaking, but it's definitely worth it if you can do it. So when you're thinking about what experiences mean to you, you want to consider what are the elements you can incorporate into your wedding that will reflect you as a couple, tell your love story, and how you can make your guests feel as though they are in the inner circle of your favorite people. The second part of your wedding vision is also considering what you want to experience throughout the wedding planning phase. So the months leading up to your wedding. Do you want a fun tasting with your caterer? Or maybe you want to do a mock design presentation with your florist or schedule an epic bachelorette party. Maybe all three. So the wedding planning phase is the largest portion of your overall wedding experience. So be sure to give it a little thought so you can make sure that you're savoring the entire wedding phase.